scholars, welcome back to your favorite math session. So all of you are ready? Very good. Now children, we are doing time chapter, and whenever we are telling time, we are writing AM or PM. So what this AM and PM means? Children, AM stands for antimeridiem, okay, and PM stands for postmeridiem. Now, what is this antimeridiem and postmeridiem? We are going to see in this video. So, let's begin today's video, children. So children, let's begin with another part of chapter 12, time. Okay. So what is there in today's video? See here children, antimeridiem, that is called as AM, and postmeridiem, which is called as PM. Okay. Now children, AM and PM we have heard earlier also. But what is that? AM means antimeridiem and PM means postmeridiem. Now children, why we put AM and PM after the time? Why we require AM and PM? Why we are writing AM and PM after time? That we will see in this video. See here, the instant when the sun is at the top of our head is considered as noon. Yes, so children, at 12 o'clock noon, the sun, when the sun is at top, okay, that is called as 12 noon. Okay, at this hour the clock will show the time as 12 o'clock or 12 noon. So see here in the clock you can see 12 o'clock. But children, 12 o'clock, okay, now what we have to put PM or AM, that I will tell you. The period of 12 hours after 12 noon. Okay, after 12 noon, the period of 12 hours. That means 12 to 12. 12 noon to now again 12. Okay, that is known as post meridiem or afternoon. Okay, to indicate this, PM is written after the time. Now children, when PM is written, it is written after the 12 hours, after 12 noon. Okay, so here to indicate this, PM is written as after the time. Now see here, the boy is playing in the evening. Okay, so it is 5 p.m. Why 5 p.m.? Because the boy is playing at the evening, in the evening. Okay, so children, 5 p.m. comes after noon. Okay, the time after noon is called as p.m. Okay, now see here, the boy is sleeping. So it is 10 o'clock. At 10 o'clock night he is sleeping. That means it is 10 p.m. Because why we are writing 10 p.m.? Because the boy is sleeping at night. That means after noon, the time 12 hours. The period of 12 hours is called as post meridiem. That's why we are writing as p.m. Okay. Now here see, the period of 12 hours before noon. Now we have seen afternoon. The period of 12 hours afternoon is called as post meridiem, that is PM. Now the period of 12 hours before noon is known as antimeridiem. That is also called as forenoon. Okay, that was afternoon. This is forenoon. Okay, to indicate this, AM is written after the time. Okay, so when we are representing the 12 hours before noon, that means you have to write AM. Okay children, so see here, in morning the children are exercising, so it is 7 AM because it is the period of 12 hours before noon. Okay, it is a morning time. Then the boys are going to school in the morning. That means it is 8:30 AM. Okay, So you have to see here whether it is forenoon or whether it is afternoon. Okay, in this manner you have to write antemeridiem, that is AM or PM. Okay, now see here, exactly 12 hours afternoon is 12 midnight. So see here, midnight the day start. Okay, the new day start midnight 12. Okay, at midnight 12 the new day starts. Then midnight 12 to midday, that means the afternoon, midday 12, it is AM. It is considered as AM. You have to write AM after the time. Okay, when you will write AM? From midday 12 to, from midnight 12 to midday 12. Okay, you will write AM. And from midday 12 to midnight 12, it is PM. Okay children, so you know this cycle now. From midnight 12 to midday 12 it is AM, and from midday 12 to again midnight 12 it is PM. So this cycle of 12 hours and this 12 hours, it is written as AM and PM. Clear children? So this is very important to understand when to write AM and PM. Okay children, so you watch this video properly. Okay children, and understand this video when we have to write AM and when we have to write PM after the time. Okay, we will meet again in the next video children. Till then, you enjoy this video children. Goodbye.